every business going digital, responsive website testing is not a choice. Users no longer turn to their laptops to access your website. Times have changed. People use mobile phones to get all the information that they need. And your website needs to be responsive across all devices. Over 39% of people will stop engaging with the business if their website is not responsive. While all of this is true, we understand that building a responsive website is no easy feat. Introducing LT Browser, a developer-friendly browser that lets you develop, test, and debug on the go. With LT Browser, you can choose from our wide range of devices or create custom devices and start testing instantly. Compare devices with a side-by-side view and make fixes easily. Test on different network conditions. Generate a detailed performance report. Integrate with your bug management tool for faster collaboration and smooth tracking. Create websites that are highly responsive at a blazing fast speed. You can do all of this and much more for free. Download LT Browser today.